Growing your own peaches can be an incredibly rewarding experience. Imagine biting into a juicy, sweet peach picked fresh from your own backyard. It is a taste and texture that store-bought fruit often cannot match. The first crucial step is selecting a peach variety suited to your specific climate. Peaches require a certain number of chill hours during winter to produce fruit. These are hours below 45 degrees Fahrenheit or 7 degrees Celsius. Research varieties that thrive in your USDA hardiness zone and meet your local chill hour requirements. Popular options include Reliance for colder climates and Florida King for warmer regions. Consider disease-resistant varieties to minimize future problems. Decide between standard-sized trees, which can grow quite large, or dwarf and semi-dwarf options. Dwarf trees are perfect for smaller gardens or even container growing. They also make harvesting and pruning much easier. Peaches demand full sun, meaning at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Choose a location in your garden that receives ample light throughout the day. Good air circulation is also important to prevent fungal diseases. Well-drained soil is absolutely critical for peach trees. They do not tolerate wet feet, which can lead to root rot. If your soil is heavy clay, amend it generously with organic matter like compost to improve drainage. A slightly acidic to neutral soil pH between 6.0 and 7.0 is ideal. Conduct a soil test to determine your current pH and nutrient levels. This will help you make informed decisions about amendments. The best time to plant a peach tree is in late winter or early spring, after the last hard frost. You can plant either bare root trees or container-grown trees. Bare root trees should be planted as soon as they arrive. Dig a hole that is twice as wide as the root ball and just as deep. For bare root trees, create a small mound of soil in the center of the hole. Spread the roots evenly over this mound. For container trees, gently remove the tree from its pot and loosen any circling roots. Place the tree in the hole so the graft union is a few inches above the soil line. Backfill the hole with soil, gently tamping to remove air pockets. Water thoroughly after planting. Consistent watering is vital, especially during the first few years after planting. Young trees need regular moisture to establish a strong root system. Water deeply and regularly, particularly during dry spells. Mature trees also benefit from consistent watering, especially when fruit is developing. Aim for about an inch of water per week, either from rain or irrigation. Avoid overhead watering to reduce disease risk. Begin fertilizing your peach tree in its second year. Use a balanced fertilizer or one formulated for fruit trees. Apply fertilizer in early spring before new growth begins. Follow the product instructions carefully, as over-fertilization can harm the tree. Organic options like compost and well-rotted manure can also provide essential nutrients and improve soil structure. Pruning is perhaps the most important cultural practice for peach trees. It promotes fruit production, maintains tree health, and manages size. Peaches are typically pruned to an open vase shape. This open center allows sunlight and air to penetrate the canopy, which is crucial for fruit development and disease prevention. Prune in late winter or early spring while the tree is dormant. Remove any dead, diseased, or crossing branches. Also, thin out inward-growing branches and suckers from the base. Aim to leave 3 to 5 strong scaffold branches evenly spaced around the trunk. Peach trees can be susceptible to various pests and diseases. Common issues include peach leaf curl, brown rot, and pests like oriental fruit moths and plum curculio. Regular inspection is key to early detection. For peach leaf curl, dormant oil sprays applied in late fall or early spring can be effective. Good sanitation, like removing fallen leaves and fruit, helps prevent disease spread. Consider organic pest control methods such as horticultural oils, insecticidal soaps, or beneficial insects. Always identify the specific pest or disease before applying any treatment. Once your tree sets fruit, you will likely notice many small peaches forming. Thinning these fruits is a critical step for producing large, high-quality peaches. Without thinning, the tree will produce many small, inferior fruits. Thin the fruit when they are about the size of a dime or a quarter. Space them approximately 6 to 8 inches apart along the branch. This allows the remaining fruits to grow larger and sweeter. Knowing when to harvest is crucial for optimal flavor. Peaches are ready when their background color changes from green to a yellowish or orange hue. The fruit should feel slightly soft when gently squeezed. Enjoy your homegrown peaches fresh, or preserve them through canning, freezing, or drying. Congratulations on successfully growing your own delicious peaches.